up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my February Boxycharm base box. Everybody pretty much knows what Boxycharm is, but for those of you who don't, I will have a link to their website in the description box below. Without further ado, let's see what they sent to me for the month of February. Okay, guys, so, woo! Here's my box. Looking kind of beefy. It's a little thick. I'm just saying. All right, let's open this puppy up. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I already pre-opened it so that I could do this a little bit faster. So everything was pre-opened and you guys didn't have to wait. So this month is Be My Glamentine. Oh, how sweet and cute. So there's the card. And it has all the information about the products that are in here. And guess what, guys? As usual, I didn't tally them up. I'll do it at the end as I normally do. So on top here, I was kind of like, ugh, am I going to wear these? But I might. I got some eyelashes. They're Lava Los Angeles eyelashes. So here they are in the little case, guys. I'm allergic to whatever they put in the magnetic liners, so I can't wear those magnetic lashes, but I might be able to wear this one. We'll have to see. I am going to give it a try because I think they're super pretty. So here's a better view of them outside of the little, plastic. What is that called? I don't know what that stuff is called. I can't even think right now. But anyways, here's a better view of it for those of you who want to see. What is this called? It's like a plasticky kind of, I don't know. Anyways, let's go ahead and find out how much these puppies are worth. This part I did not look out, so I'll be as surprised as you guys. Where are they? Oh, here we go. Lava Beauty Flirty Lash Set. Woo! The value for this product is $54. I better get 100 uses out of those for that price. I'm just saying. All right, guys. So the next thing that I got in here is this Ace Beauty Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. So when I saw this, I was like, ugh. Highlighter palette, but then it just hit me. Life with Lois's got me this awesome highlighter palette that she sent to me. It's like Moonlight or something is what it's called. I literally use that thing every single day. So if this one is as pretty as that one, I'm going to be super stoked about it. All right, so here it is outside of the packaging, guys. Awesome, right? So let's open it up. This part I didn't do. I'm going to do this here with you guys. And oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Wow. Okay, I'm super stoked. I can see me using this one all the time. Look at how gorgeous those colors are. So I use this on my eyes. I don't use it like you're supposed to, but that's okay. I mean, you can do whatever you want to with makeup. That is gorgeous. Wonder how much that is. And I love Ace Beauty products. I think they are awesome. So, the value for that is $40. A little pricier than some of their other products, but it might be something that is so incredibly awesome. All right, guys, the next thing is a Teamy Detox Green Tea Blend Mask. Okay, I already have this, guys. I have used it several times. I partnered with Teamy a while ago and I bought a bunch of their products. Their products are very good. This is a very thick mask, so it's going to go on thick and it's going to take forever to dry, but it does really work well. I like it. I think the value was like $30. Let's see if I'm right. Teamy Blends Green Tea. Yep, $29.99 is the value for the product. Like I said, I partnered with Teamy in the past. They are a great company. So if you guys are not familiar with Teamy, I will have a link in the description box below. It's not a referral link. You can just, click the link if you guys want to check out their products. But I think Teamy is a great company, and I did enjoy partnering with them. Okay, so I'm really excited that I got this. I can't explain how excited I am. I might have picked this. I might have been on a day when I was able to pick, but I need a new setting spray. And this is, I don't know, is it a Luminasqua? Don't know how to pronounce it. Anyways, it's a Hydra setting spray. So here it is inside the box, guys. I think that is going to be so awesome. I'm really excited about it because I need a setting spray so bad. And I already took it outside the box for you guys. So here it is outside the box. This is a nice big one too. How many ounces? 3.3 fluid ounces. Pretty excited about that. Okay, let's see what the value is for the setting spray. $26 for the setting spray. I probably wouldn't pay that much, but hey, I'm happy to have it. And the last thing that I have in here is an Estate Precision Liquid Liner. Don't really know how to show this to you guys. I guess I'll show it to you like this because that's how the writing's going. So, my fear with this one, I didn't open it yet. Here it is, guys. Here it is outside of the thing. It's nice and fancy with the gold tip. I'm afraid it's not going to be black. I really hope it's black. I'll hold my breath. Oh, yay, it is. It's black, guys. Check it out. I'm super stoked. Okay, that's awesome. I don't really care for the, oh, wow. The felt tip ones. Boy, that goes on really well, though. Look at that. That is pretty awesome. So, you know, I'm excited to give it a try. I guess I just kind of did, right? Let's see the value for that. What is that? That's the liner. Here it is, 12 bucks. Okay, that's not bad at all. That sucker worked really good for 12 bucks, I gotta say. All right, guys, let me take a minute, tie this up for you guys, let you know what the total value was for my box for this month. Okay, guys, maybe one day I will remember to do this before I start the video, but let's do a quick recap. So I have the Ace Beauty Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. The value for that product was $40. Then I have the Teamy Blends Green Tea Detox Mask, and the value for that product is $29.99. And then I have the Lava Beauty Flirty Lash Set. The value of that product is $54. By far the highest valued product in the box. Then I have the Luminasqua Hydra Setting Spray. The value for that product was $26. And then I have the Estate Cosmetics Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner valued at $12, making the total value for this month's box $161.99. Guys, I only paid 25 bucks a month for this. Actually, I think it's a little less than that because I do it yearly. My yearly subscription is due March 1st, and I'm going to renew because I really like this box. I enjoy it very much. The only other one I'm considering adding to my channel is the ice cream box because I see that it has a lot of things that I would really like to have in that box, but I'm just debating whether or not I need to add that one. So I haven't done it yet, but I'm seriously considering it. We'll have to see. All right, guys, that's all I got for you this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Oh, hold on. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my February Boxycharm base box. Where is I going to go after that? Not really sure. Try it again. Without further ado, let's see what I got for the month of February. Ugh, I feel like I messed it up. Darn it. Okay. I hit the table, so hold on.